In this video, I'm going to show you how to redirect a domain on Namecheap step by step so you can send visitors from one domain to another in just a few minutes. This is really useful if you've rebranded, changed websites, bought a new domain, or simply want one domain to point to a different destination. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to Domain List. This is where all of your registered domains are shown in one place, so you can manage them easily. Find the domain that you want to redirect and then click Manage next to it. Now, you'll be taken to the domain settings page. Here, scroll down until you find the domain tab and look for the Redirect Domain section. This is the area where Namecheap lets you send traffic from your current domain to another web address. Once you see it, click Add Redirect. After that, you'll need to fill in a couple of important fields. In the source URL field, enter the domain you want to redirect. For example, you can type yourdomain.com or http:/yourdomain.com, depending on how you want to set it up. This is the domain people will type into their browser first. Next, go to the destination URL field and enter the full target website address. For example, you might use https www.destination.com. This is the page or website you want visitors to land on after the redirect happens. Double check that the destination URL is typed correctly, because even a small typo can send users to the wrong place or create an error. Once both fields are filled out, look for the green checkmark and click it to save your changes. Namecheap will then apply the redirect settings to your domain. Depending on your setup, it may take a short time for the redirect to start working everywhere, so give it a little time if you don't see the change instantly. And that's it. You've now successfully redirected a domain on Namecheap. This is a simple but powerful setting that can help keep your traffic moving to the right place without having to rebuild everything from scratch. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.